Okay, thank you. Next.
Hi, SA Got Talent. My name is Siphiwe Cekisani. I'm a 20-year-old boy, so I want to show my career and show my life. I write SA Got Talent to bring music. I sing hip hop, sing tap, I sing hip hop, I sing kwaito dance.
Okay, which song are you gonna sing now?
Today I think to sing John Legend, all of me.
Okay, begin, sir.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Gum, 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 gum. What do I do with an eye on your smile? I'm your magical mystery high. And I'm so dizzy, don't know what fizzy. I can't pin you down. What did I on and beautiful smile? I'm your magical mystery high. And I'm so dizzy, don't know what fizzy. I can't beat you down. All of you is love, all of me. Love your abs and all your pinning, all your crest and fish finning. I've been all to you, what's in my head to me. All my F and all my guineas in your have and in the penny. Give your all, thank you.
Puti ungubani, uzenga ndoni.
I want to sing it for writing for SA Got Talent to sing R&B. So I want to sing my girlfriend now, because this song I write for February 14, Valentine's Day. So I sing for now.
Let's see.
Hello. Can I start it first?
Yes, sir.
Hello, it's me. I'm on the wondering if I can taking all the way to roll on, to be her, to roll on and on and on. I like this part, yes. But hello from the other side. I want to make it on the party to roll on, Peter, to be bring all fish down to roll on. Roll on, Peter, to be bring on all to roll on. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Hi, SA Got Talent. My name is Annelisa. Annelisa Lolly from the Eastern Cape. I wrote for SA Got Talent just to show my talent. I'm a musician, I'm a technician. I watch Jackie Chan. Thank you.
So what are you gonna be singing for us today?
Today I'm for sing Celine Dion. Celine Dion or Justin Amarula.
Okay, you can begin.
Okay, thank you. Look at his hair. Can I start?
Yes, you can start.
Look at his face. And nothing outside the costume. Look at his house. And nothing outside the costume. I know how much. I know I love you. Just me. All I need is you. Thank you very good. Sit down.